Changing your debit card to Apple Pay is simple. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Unlock your device and locate the Wallet app, which has a white icon with a blue outline of a credit card. Step 2. Access Apple Pay settings. Open the Wallet app and tap on the plus symbol in the top right corner to add a new card. If you've already added a card, you can access Apple Pay settings by tapping on the card. Step 3. Add a new card. Tap on Continue to begin adding a new card. You can either use your device's camera to capture the card details or enter them manually. Select the credit or debit card option. Step 4. Select Apple Pay. When prompted to choose the payment method, select Apple Pay as your preferred method. This will link your debit card to Apple Pay. Step 5. Follow the verification process. Follow the instructions provided to verify your debit card. This may involve entering the card details, verifying your identity through your bank's authentication process, or receiving a verification code via SMS or email. But provide the required information to complete the verification process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your debit card to Apple Pay. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.